Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you want to see me make these delicious chicken and waffles, then keep watching. I'm going to be starting off with seasoning my chicken. I'm using chicken strips. You can use any part of the chicken you would like, and you can season it to your liking. You don't want to season it too much because we're going to be seasoning our wet batter and our dry batter, so you don't want it to be too salty. I'm going to sit that in the refrigerator and we're going to work on our wet batter. First, I'm going to be adding 1 egg. Now you want to go in with a half a cup of milk and a half a cup of chicken stock. Now I'm going in with some seasoning. I'm using the same seasoning I used on my chicken. After you add your seasonings, give it a good mix, and you want to add a little bit over a 3/4 cup of flour. Now you're done with your wet batter, and now we're going to move on to our dry batter. I'm adding 1.5 cups of flour, the same seasonings you used for your chicken, and a little bit of cornstarch to give it that extra crunch. Whisk everything together, and now we can work on our pancake batter. I know it's a lot of prepping, but I promise it'll be good. I am not going to be doing my waffles from scratch. I'm taking 2 of my favorite pancake mixes by Blanket. This company is black owned, so please check them out. I am also going to be taking my Flavor Gods Buttery cinnamon roll. Y'all know I love my buttery cinnamon roll. And I'm also taking the chocolate donut and adding that to my pancake batter. Now I'm going to be adding milk until I get the right consistency. I'm also going to be adding a little bit of vanilla and coffee creamer. I don't know, is that weird? Trust me, y'all, it's good. Here's a tip. If you want a crispy waffle, add cornstarch to your batter. This part is self-explanatory. Just cook your waffle to your liking. I'm setting my temp in the middle so I can get a nice brown color. While our waffles are cooking, we're going to start frying our chicken. You want to dip your chicken in the wet batter first and then the dry batter. Do not miss any spots when you're coating it in the dry batter. Now you can fry your chicken. Once they start floating, they are done. You don't have to do this, but I am sprinkling a little powdered sugar on top. And a little syrup. And you're all done. You have the best chicken and waffles. Let me know if you guys try this recipe out. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.